Alright guys, so today's video is about the mactivepro Watch 7 wallpaper change. So I'll be sharing with you how you can change the watch faces of this Microware W17 Pro smartwatch. If you are using a smartwatch that uses mactivepro app, this is going to work for you. Without wasting much of your time, let's get down to business. Alright, the first thing to do here is to launch your mactivepro app and make sure it is connected to your smartwatch. Alright, as you can see here, mine is connected. So you select device down here and use the find option to confirm. As you can see, it is ringing. That shows that our watch is truly connected. So the next thing to do here is to come to this option that says dial manager. As you can see, dial manager, when you select that, it's going to load up your dials. All right, see, we have simple dial, we have cartoon dials, we have space dials, we have mechanical dials, we have dynamic dials, we have digital dials, and the custom. So here I'm going to show you everything here. Let's just pick one of these and upload it to our watch face. Okay, so let me select this. You select install if you want it, and you are going to see it come up at the dial installation pop-up. Okay, you select install once again, and it's going to download this very watch face. As you can see, downloading has just showed up. So let's just wait for it to download. As you can see, it is reading. It's trying to load it up. Now, and I can see Bluetooth broken, Bluetooth connection broken. Let's see what the matter. Okay, let me switch this on. All right, so let's try again. Install. Now we can see it is now pushing it. So we have to on the call Bluetooth. Alright, now we have our watermelon wallpaper on our W17 Pro smartwatch. So that is how to change the watch face. So you can pick any of these dials and it's going to show up. Alright, so next one I'm going to show you here is how to customize your W17 Pro smartwatch. So if you are using an mactivepro app, this is how to customize it. Scroll all the way down to where you are going to see custom. So when you see this custom, select it and it's going to take you to the custom wallpaper page. All right, so now you can now select the picture you want to use, but before then you have to select if you want the time location to be displayed. As you can see, the time is very small, so we just have to manage that. That is how it is. So you can now change the color by using this color font down here. Okay, it will change the color. I don't know if you can see it from there. Let me change the color. Can you see it? Okay, now if you want it to display some informations there like heart rate, sleep tracking, or pedometer, or date, you can select it here and it's going to show up there. As you can see, if you want it to be displayed below the time, you can come this way, as you can see, but I prefer it not to be there at all, so I'll use the close option by the side. Then I'll select the picture I want to use by selecting select picture. When you select that, it's going to pop up a complete action using either your gallery or photos. So let's just use gallery, and here I'm going to use this eye. Okay, and once you are okay with the cropping, you can crop it in and out. Once you are okay with it, you can now select done down here, and it's going to crop it up into the dial installation page. Okay, now you can select install. So when you select install, it's going to sync it up to your smartwatch.